Welcome, Space Rangers! Set a course for Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blasters at Disneyland. Today our mission is to defeat the evil Emperor Zurg. So aim your laser cannons at the Z's and fire away. Shapes matter, so work carefully. Triangles are worth the most points, followed by diamonds, squares, and then circles. Wait for the targets to light up, you'll get extra points. Are you an expert at the Disney World version of this ride? Well, I got all the intel right here for you on the differences between the two versions. First of all, the laser cannons aren't attached. Pro tip, look for the hidden Z's in the dark hallway. They fade up and down. Oh, and if you're hoping that the trick of holding down the trigger is also going to work here, sorry to disappoint you. You have to keep pressing the button at Disneyland. Speaking of pressing buttons, it would be pretty cool if you would strike that like. Thank you, Space Rangers. Now, let's go and defeat Zurg.
Alright, Space Rangers, aim for the Z's. Remember, the targets are worthwhile when they're lit.
You may begin spinning your space cruiser. Joystick spin control is now activated. You are now in command of your space cruiser. Spin at will. Joystick spin control is now activated. You may begin spinning your space
Impossible! No one can aim so precisely! You've interfered for the last time! Now you must be punished! You're not my superwoman!
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers have been temporarily halted. Please remain seated. And mission will resume shortly. Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers have been temporarily halted. Please remain seated. Your mission will resume shortly. Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission. Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission. Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission. Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted. Prepare to resume your mission.
Star Command, sir.
I'm invincible. You hear me? Invincible.
Shooting, Space Rangers. Green Squadron. Destroy Zerg Secret Lab.
Why should we ruin your planet by now?
Zerg online. Blast him with anything you got.
You'll ruin everything.
That's along with Star Command, sir.
Curse you, Buzz Lightyear. Ah!
Good. Shooting, Space Rangers. Green Squadron.
Save our lives. We are eternally grateful.
I shall return.
Yes, we will return Zerg to the store. He is a bad toy.
You have saved our lives.
Space
We are
Rangers.
eternally
It's been an
grateful.
honor serving with you. Check the status board to determine your rank. And don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you. Check the status board to determine your rank.
Good job, Space Rangers. Exit